Is VMProtect pathing failed due to the VMProtect SDK32.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's repair your internal links and get you back to work. Before we get into the technical process for VMProtect SDK32, you can find a professional diagnostic utility for system environment review. This is the VMProtect SDK32, the VMProtect Software Protection SDK 32-bit. It manages the unmanaged decryption and execution of virtualized code blocks to prevent software cracking and reverse engineering. If missing, protected apps will report a fatal protection error. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. This problem affects a core Windows DLL. Start command prompt with administrator rights and run sfc/scan now so Windows can verify and restore system files such as VMProtect SDK32. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered VMProtect SDK32 component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Most individual downloads of VMProtect SDK32.dll are not digitally signed, meaning they haven't been verified for safety by the original software developer. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. To help prevent background conflicts, the maintenance utility reference below includes information related to VMProtect SDK32 synchronization. If you've regained access to VMProtect SDK32, thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.